Hello guys, welcome back to my another vlog, and we are going to Broadway, but Manu is not coming. Very bad. Manu is our kid, like we have adopted him, but he is not coming.
Amma is telling you not to eat much from out.
Yeah, because of my stomach. No, I will not eat. I won't eat. I'll not eat much from out.
When you come back, you will eat mandi.
When we will come back, we'll eat mandi. But this Manu is not going with us. Very bad. ही इज़ वॉकिंग गाइस. इतना बड़ा हो गया कि अभी ये काम भी कर रहा है. एंड टेल मी हाउ एम आई लुकिंग. मैं वो साफ करने ब्रॉडवे साफ करने टाइप नहीं दिख रही हूँ. मानू सेड आई वॉज लुकिंग लाइक दैट. पीपल से आई एम लुकिंग गुड राइट. Say hi Teresa.
Hi.
Tell what we are going to do now.
We are going to Broadway to buy something and to see the lights. ഇപ്പോൾ ലൈറ്റ് ഓഫ് ആക്കി ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. I guess it's അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ.
Bye. Now we have to take bus. 3 buses. No. From here, Manu will drop us in bus stand. Then from there, we'll take bus and to metro station. From there, we'll take another metro and we'll go to Fort Kochi. Not Fort Kochi. Marine Drive. Not Marine Drive. Direct Broadway only will go. Huh? Okay, bye guys.
To Maharaja.
To Maharaja metro station we will go.
From there, you taking auto, going to Broadway. Only less to go, but otherwise you have to walk. Start with.
Thank you God. Please save us from all the danger. Guys, me, Manu and Teresa, we did this. See, so cute. And this is our Christmas tree. So nice. Manu has wore the helmet. Now he is going to come with us. No, he is not coming with us. He is just dropping us. And can you see guys, कितना सुंदर गार्डन हमारे तेरेसा ने बनाया है. इतना सारा प्लांट्स उसने ही लगाया है. ये सब कुछ
सारा
डिफरेंट प्लांट्स. एंड मेरा ये चप्पल मेरा टूट चुका है ये पूरा, और मेरा शू का हालत पूरा ख़राब हो गया है. वो इलीगल कल जाके वो धोना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. सीट सुंदर फ्लावर. ओके, वी आर गोइंग एट 4 o'clock.
Yes, not for it.
For seeing the light. Okay, it's not because we are late.
Yes.
It's not because we were talking.
Yeah.
It's not because of that. We wanted to see light, and the light will be lit in the evening only, so that we can enjoy the view. That's why. Not because we were talking, not because we were late. Okay? We choose to go there this time. We chose to go during this time. Guys, we came to metro. Now we are in metro. The name of this place is Vadake Kotta or something. We reached at Maharaja metro station. From here we will take auto to what?
To
Broadway. Let's go. Guys, we came to Broadway, but today we didn't go. Like today is the closing day. It will close very soon at 8 o'clock or something. It will close, and we came here. Okay, पढ़ते तो नहीं है लेकिन खरीदने के लिए आ गए. That's sad. Like it is going to close very soon. Like at 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock only it will, sorry, 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock it will close. So we haven't gone to some shop. Sorry, we have only gone to some few shops. We haven't gone to all shops. And what I want, I'm not getting that. All the shops and everything is closed. Like most of them are closed. And light is also not that much in this place. So looking good. This is one subject. I only bought one kurti. I'll show you after reaching at home. Guys, we have come here. हम लोग थोड़ा नारियल का पानी पियेंगे. And these clothes are closing. Sorry, these shops are closed. These clothes are closed.
Actually, everything is being closed. We are moving back to.
और मैं अपनी मैं एक दो पानी पूरी वालों को मिली जो कि मेरे प्लेस से है, उड़ीसा से थे.
Tiruppati Gotta.
And I talked with them in Odia. And they are also from same place from where I am. I am from Barampur. They are also from Barampur. Nice. After so long time, I finally talked in Odia and I met 3 Odia people. No, it's okay. मैं एक चीज़ ढूंढ रही हूँ, वो मिल नहीं रहा है मुझे. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग दैट वन. एंड ऑल द शॉप्स आर क्लोजिंग. कम से वी फाउंड वन गाय. ओके, वो सेलिंग सॉक्स. वो एक छोटा वाला सॉक्स दिखा रहा था. हमने 100 रुपीज़ बोल रहा था, मैं बार्गेनिंग करके 85 बोली. नहीं 80 बोली. उसके बाद वो बोला 90. मैं बोली आपका नहीं, मेरा ना 85 लेते हैं. उसके बाद वो नहीं बोल रहा था. देन वो छोटा वाला सॉक्स दिखा, मतलब हमने देखा था, पूछा कि ये वाला कितने का है, क्योंकि मुझे छोटा सॉक्स चाहिए था. सो ये सेड लाइक ये हमारे लिए नहीं, ये लाइक ये बड़े बच्चों के लिए नहीं, ये छोटे बच्चों के लिए है. बोले तो मैं बोले हाँ ठीक है चलेगा. इसके क्या बोलते हैं, इसके बच्चे हैं तो इसके बच्चे के लिए लेंगे, ऐसे बोल के बोला हमने. देन वो पूछा था आपका बच्चा है, सच में आपका बच्चा है? हाँ बच्चा है. वो अच्छा. देन उसके बाद कुछ देर बाद वो मुझे पूछा आप मैरिड हो या अनमैरिड हो. सो मैंने बोला कि नहीं मैं अनमैरिड हूँ. वो तो फिर आपका बच्चा है, कितने बच्चे हैं? आई हैव 2 किड्स. वो सच में सच्ची अभी तक वो है उसके दिमाग में है कि इसका सच में 2 लड़के, एक लड़का और एक लड़की. वो पूछा कि कौन से 2 बच्चे, नाम बोलो. तो एल्सा इमानुएल. शी सेड हर 2 ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स नेम. शी सेड
I got children.
She got children. और वो बिलीव भी कर लिया क्या? नहीं पहले तो वो थोड़ा ऐसे ट्रॉमाटाइज हो गया कि हैं आप मैरिड हो, सच में लही लगता है, ऐसे बोला. उसके बाद ही सेड लाइक ओके. मस्त बोंदू बनाया उसको, क्योंकि
Make sure that we are not lying. He asked the name.
Yeah.
Name of the children.
तो लाइक अभी भी उसको वही पता है कि लाइक इसका कोई मतलब 2 बच्चे हैं. बिकॉज वी वॉन्टेड टू सी दैट किड वाला स्मॉल सॉक्स. ओके, small ankle length socks, and he said like it's not for you, it's for kid. And I said no it's okay, my friends, she has 2 kids, for them we want. तो ये हो गया. और अभी तक उसको यही पता है कि लाइक इसका 2 बच्चे हैं, एक है इमानुएल और एक एल्सा है. एल्सा इन इमानुएल आप दोनों इसके बच्चे हैं, ठीक है? आज से say something. tasty. Now we are going back to metro. इतना कुछ ज़्यादा खरीदे नहीं क्योंकि सारा शॉप क्लोज हो गया है. एवरीथिंग इज क्लोज.
The lights were off and we couldn't see anything.
It's okay. We saw a lot of things. We saw so many things. So it's okay. Some other day I'll come. वैसे भी auntie has told me like you can come whenever you want. So I'll come. बड़ा पड़ गया. In metro guys.
We are finally in metro. We are reaching. We are going to where?
We are going to her
Somewhere.
home. We are going to her and Elsa's home. Again she will say. Elsa's, Emmanuel and Teresa's home. Not
Right, so
only
that was
Teresa's
my
and
home.
Emmanuel. And you saw that video, like saw that clips, where she was telling I have 2 kids and they are Emmanuel and Elsa. She loves you both
So much.
so much.
Mascara is coming off weekly. I have to buy some.
Like this, like whenever I'll get old, like this only like 3 aunties, we also will go on a trip.
We are waiting to get old.
Yeah. Then we will also
Go
on
for
a trip.
But not now, only after getting old.
Guys, we reached. इतना ज़्यादा साउंड है यहाँ पे. So, guys, we reached SL Junction and we are waiting for bus. Hopefully, अगर हमको बस मिल जाएगा, तो we won't call Manu. And Manu Kutta is he's like, do you think I have a car or something to take you two people in one? Vandi means gaadi. So we are praying hard to get a bus so that we can go from here to Chotanikara. Then from there, our Manukutta will come to so sound. Okay. Finally we got bus, guys. Finally we got. Manu will be the happiest person here because he got the chance not to pick us. Guys, uncle came to pick us. Now we are going.
Hi.
Probably we might be. Yeah.
അവിടെ വെട്ടമൊന്നുമില്ലായിരുന്നു അപ്പം എല്ലാം ഇന്നലെ തീർന്നു. കഴിഞ്ഞ പ്രാവശ്യം നമ്മൾ പോയപ്പോഴും വെട്ടം. ബൈ. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യൂ, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യൂ, കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യൂ, കോമൻറ്റും ചെയ്യൂ,
And
ബെല്ലൈക്കണും ഞെക്കൂ, സന്തോഷമായിട്ടിരിക്കൂ.
let me translate it for you. And that is, and all these kapdas are uncles. Can you see? He has so
Very
many
rich uncle.
kapda, very very rich. Like he has lot of clothes, and I have nothing. I wore this, and I saw one girl was wearing the same. So guys, आप लोगों को मेरा ब्लॉग अच्छा लगा होगा. ये तो नहीं बोलूँगी कि अच्छा लगा हो तो अच्छा लगा होगा. ओके. सो ठीक है, मैं ज़्यादा लिबरल नहीं होना, सॉरी ज़्यादा रेडिकल नहीं होती हूँ, ज़्यादा सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड नहीं होती हूँ, लेकिन मैं हूँ थोड़ा सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड, क्योंकि कोई और ऑब्सेस्ड नहीं है तो लास्ट में यही होता है कि इफ़ नो वन इज़ ऑब्सेस्ड विद यू, बी ऑब्सेस्ड विद योर सेल्फ. ठीक बोली या नहीं? करेक्ट. If no one is being obsessed with you, then just be obsessed with yourself. So
That's all for today's news.
yeah, that is thought of the day for today's. I don't know. So that was thought of the day. So yeah, please do like, share, subscribe, click the bell icon so that whatever I am posting, it will go to your YouTube and it will pop up like this. Deepthi has posted something, some blog. So yeah, do like, share, subscribe, click the bell icon and watch the blog till end. So that's it. Thank you. Keep loving me, keep loving my channel. Bye.